If you're looking for a beautiful Buick Riviera, here you go. Take a look at this 1964 Buick Riviera. This car is still in its original color of surf green, which would have been a J color code on the data tag, which can be seen on the still pictures we have. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, I'll tell you where to go to our website. Check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be a picture of the VIN, be a picture of that data tag. It also has the original black vinyl interior, which was in 608 on that tag. Some kind of cool options on this car. It does have the 4-note horn option, which I'm going to open up the hood underneath and show you where those horns are as far as underneath the hood. This car does have the 425 V8 in it, which would have been 340 horse, 460 pounds-feet of torque. We'll go ahead and check that out underneath the hood too. It is the original engine. Its numbers matching. Show you where that's at. And again, all these things can be seen, checked out in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car also has power steering, power brakes, as far as equipment underneath the hood. Now, a little bit about this car. It was purchased by the previous owner in 1981. Car had 18,000 miles on it in 1981. So this is an original model car. It has about 23,000 on it, I believe it is now. We'll go ahead and take a look at the odometer when we get around to the driver's side and I start it up and everything. This is original interior in this car. You can see what kind of shape it's in, how nice a shape it's in. Front buckets, floor shift, automatic transmission. Back when this body style rib was designed, it was just a masterpiece of design as far as ingenuity that went into this and the way it dries out, the body lines. The designers basically had a free run with this. Read up about it. It's kind of cool when this car was designed. Still just a beautiful and elegant luxury, kind of luxury sports car. I'd call it a luxury sport model car to this day. You can see how straight the car is. Much of the paint appears to be original. Bright work, chrome, all original. You can see lots of times around the taillights and some of the bright work on these, it starts to get pitted. You can see there's no pitting on this car. All the bright work in very nice shape. Come up and take a look. Even like the trim around the rear window. You can tell it doesn't look like anything's ever leaked, water damage, anything like that you see on the older car lots of times. It's a beautiful example of a 64 Buick Riv. Again, a little over 22,000 miles, I believe it is. Previous owner bought this car in 1981 with 18,000 miles on it and has had it ever since. Let's go ahead and check out the interior a little closer in this car. Courtesy lights work. Just beautiful stock steering wheel, stock dash. Dash is not cracked. Door cards, remote mirrors on both sides. See that? How beautiful is this car? It's very, very nice. Speed warning indicator. You could set this at what speed you want it to buzz at. Make sure you didn't get pulled over. Get a speeding ticket, so you could adjust that from 55 to 90, 80. Odometer would buzz, or I should say the speedometer would buzz when the needle got up to that speed to indicate that's how fast you're going. Radio also works in this car. I'm going to fire it up before I see here. Round two here. Listen to that start, how smooth it runs. Again, I didn't have it warmed up or anything. That's a cold start. That's why the green light's on. The radio here just a second. Take a little bit for it to warm up. Make sure you can see that that works. And there it comes on. So, radio does work. Automatic transmission. There's who the car was originally built for by General Motors, Buick division. And the gentleman that owns this now has that same last name. I believe this car, I should say the previous owner that is selling this car, has that same last name. So I think this has stayed in the same family since new. If you have any questions on this car, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Be happy to find out any answers for your questions that you may like to have. Check out the headliner. And again, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to come around here a second, and we're going to pop the hood so you can see how tidy and clean and nice this thing is underneath that hood too. You'll also be able to hear that engine run. Alright, here you go. First of all, that is a factory option quad note horn from Buick. Just cool. You gotta hear it too, right? Well, you got it open. See it underneath there? You want somebody to get out of your way, that horn will do it. Again, power steering, power brakes. There's that 425. The 465 on there is for foot-pounds of torque. That's the torque of the engine. Engine's never been touched up, painted, anything like that. This is the stock form. This engine came in from Buick. Listen how smooth that is. It's unbelievable. If you're looking for a stock example of Riviera that's in nice shape, don't be afraid to jump in and drive down the road anywhere. Here you go. 1964 Buick Riv, surf green. And I'm sorry I never showed you the miles on the odometer unless you caught them when we were looking at the speedometer and the indicator. Here we go. What does it read? 23,000. We'll move that speed alarm out of the way. 23,122 original miles. One last time, phone number 507-386-1726. Or check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.